Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Aunty. I have not even adjusted my camera. Actually, I had started the video and I had told you that we are going to do two pretty roses, 1 year and 1 year, and I was trying to show you but my pencil was light, so I had to off the video and then redo it. So just make a small 3 here, then make a smile for the 3. After making the smile for the 3, what you need to do is just make this a D shape, a उल्टा D shape. Okay, after you make the उल्टा D shape, ये जो हम लोगों ने 3 किया है, हमको इस 3 के ऊपर ऐसा डिंचकड़ी ऐसे कवर डालने का, ठीक है. After you make this cover, what you are going to do is from here you are going to take a turn and here, and then from here you are going to make one petal and come back here. And then from here, okay, again you will make one cover which goes aisa and it comes here. This can be a swirl, children. Okay, this is a swirl, so it will go like that, and then there will be a kali inside and there will be much more petals here. Okay, little complicated now. After that you're going to make a leaf, come here. Then again you're going to make a leaf, come here. Okay, after that what you do is अब इधर हो गया, you have to just balance it. So I think so इधर से हम लोगों को एक ऐसे बैलेंस करके पत्ता इधर लेकर जाना और इसको हम लोग डिंचक इधर तक ले आएंगे. Okay, now this needs to be balanced. Now to balance this, what we will do is first we will make a mudela patta. Okay, let us make this mudela patta. Now this is a patta which is the deeper part of it. Then we make one like that. We make one petal that goes like that and one petal that goes like that, and then we just cover it. Okay, so one of our roses is ready. It is simple as that. Now I am just telling you what the shading needs to be done. Now since we have done this is the kali part of it, so this part is going to be darker. That I can teach you later on also, but see, every leaf, the inside part is going to be darker and the part which is outside will be the brighter one. Okay, in every petal. Now see, if this is the petal, this part is going to be dark. I cannot shade it here because I need to color it and show it to you. So this part is going to be dark and the other part is going to be ujala. Okay, now we are going to make this one we are going to make it in a little different way. So what we are going to do is first we'll make the kali. Now to make the kali, what we need to do is to just make a tulip. Okay, now we're going to rub a little bit of this tulip और फिर ये ट्यूलिप इधर से ऐसे जा रहा है और इधर से ऐसे जा रहा है, इधर से ऐसे खुल के ऐसे आ रहा है. It's very simple. If you follow the steps, children, it is really simple, and once it is completed it looks just wow. Okay, ये हम लोगों ने ट्यूलिप टाइप्स कर दिया और फिर इसके अंदर से हम लोग ऐसे छिद्दी कर देंगे, छिद्दी 1, छिद्दी 2. ओके, हम लोगों ने 2 कर दिया. अभी हमको इसको ऐसे नहीं रखना है. सो व्हाट वील टेक अ क्रिस क्रॉस petal. This is the mudela petal, children, and we are going here. Now whatever is coming in between of the previous bud, we are going to rub it. Okay, because we are making the back side of the pool, so we need to be a bit careful for it, and baki ho jata hai kuch nahi. And then we are making this. Now we'll do the upper part first. We'll make the pattas like how we made it for this. We'll do the chattars. ओके, एक छत्तर इधर हो गई, फिर इधर से एक पत्ता ऐसे ले गए. अल्टीमेटली द रोज शुड लुक ब्यूटिफुल. ओके, सो आई शो यू हाउ दिस विल हैपन. नाउ इधर वी हैव टू मेक वन मोर पत्ता विच इज फोल्डेड. So to make the folded patta, what you need to do is just make the patta first and then you make this line. Okay, you will soon understand how it comes with the colors. So this is one more patta, and then we make the sapple part of it. You understand the meaning of the sapple part, that is the behind green part of it, and the leaf goes somewhat. No, this has become too much. It cannot be so accurately seen. So I'm making one more patta. I'm not very much satisfied with it, so I'm making one more patta going like that and like that. Okay, and I think so this much. This part also I need to rub because मैं बहुत ज़्यादा types कर दिया है. So this, let it be like that, and we'll have this here. Now this rose is having a stem which is coming from here, and the sepal is attached here, and it goes aisa ithe, then it comes aisa ithe, and then it goes aisa ithe. So we'll have this rose like that here, and this needs to be attached with the petal, so it's done. Now the leaves part. So we will be making one leaf here, children, a big pretty leaf here. One leaf will be falling from here, so it will be somewhere here. One leaf will be halfway here, so it will be this way. Okay, it's half the leaf. Then one will go down here, and these will be the ones which are in the little darker parts of the painting. So I wish I have been very clear to you all regarding the flower. This actually, if you see, you can just swirl and make a rose. Now I'm making it in a very different artistic manner, so I'm showing you this way. Now quickly we'll remove our colors, children. So for our colors, what we require is all the shades of reds, children. So we will start with the middle part, and we require black. Black is the most dominant color in this. We require black, we require a dark brown, we require a carmine, we require a maroon, and we require a primary red, and we require our orange. So many colors for just one dress. Okay, to start with, what we need to do is first, जो भी ये कोने कोने हैं ना, उसको हम लोग पहले वाइट कर देंगे. ठीक है, सब पत्तों के कोने कोने हम वाइट कर देंगे. See how it will go. Now this is the darker part which is inside, so just see how I am doing. Now the swirl which I have made will almost vanish off. You all will not be even able to see the swirl, because this is the inner part. See, now I've taken my primary red color. I'm just doing gully, and I've just vanished the swirl off. You understand? I could have done it better when I could have colored it directly. It would have been more easy. See, ये जो बीच का part है, हम लोगों ने ये कर दिया है. Now we take a little bit of orange. We do the upper parts orange. I told you the upper parts need to be brighter, and the inner parts will be darker. Now since this was black and red, this will be orange and red, children. Okay, so this, okay, we have to just make our lines prominent. Okay, now we are taking a red and we are doing a gullies. So now these blacks which I have done with oil pastel will later on be done with my charcoal pencil, children, because if I use my blacks, everything will get distorted. Okay, now this is a patta which is coming aisa, so this part has to be white, bright and white. Now see, I'm not using my black. Be very careful. Just understanding is very important. Then I use my orange here. Okay, and then I use my reds, and then I use my maroons. So many colors for one single patta. And then with my white, I just smudge the colors here, because ultimately our rose is not white, it is red. Okay, now this part is again going to be dark. You just have to understand that every leaf which is hiding will be dark, and every leaf which is in ujala will be bright. So now this part is going to be dark with my oil pastels. I'm doing it. Okay, see, this part will be dark. Okay, after the part, we are going to take a primary red. We are going to just pull the black out, and the tip will be orange, of course. See, every patta you do, children, you have to do it very accurately. कुछ ज़्यादा difficult नहीं है. The only concept I told you, you have to keep in mind is that your external part will be. Now here I am leaving a little bit of white, children, because I want to show a little bit of roshni falling on it. So I am leaving a little bit of part white. Now when I do this, this will be उजागर होकर बाहर आएगा. Okay, now again this part, this leaf, this part will be bright because it is showing much towards the dhoop. Okay, after doing this part, I'm taking orange, smudging a bit of orange, because ultimately a rose is not orange, a rose is red. Roses are red and the leaves are green. Green will be the sap green, children, for our roses. See how I have smudged it. Okay, if you want, we could have made the water droplet, but for that I'll need to get my acrylic color, which I haven't got. Now I think so there should be more depth to it, just because I need, I need the depth. I'm putting a little more black here to show the little depth here, and then I'm just scraping it with my hand to show the shiny part here. Okay, now this shall be orange. Now this leaf will have oranges coming from here, and it will be red. As you start coming out, there is light falling on it, correct? And since then the darker parts will not look black, in fact they will look brighter. Now this part will be a little bit of white here, then our oranges and lemons sold for a penny. Oh, the schoolboys. I'm just putting a touchkey of black here because this is the depth here, and then I use my reds to show this part. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, अभी इधर जाने के लिए हम लोगों को हल्का सा ब्लैक करना है. अभी देखो मैं इधर दबा के नहीं कर रही हूँ, इधर हमारा डोमिनेंट होएगा रेड. नाउ उसके बाद हम लोग का ये रेड ले लेंगे हम, जो वो ब्लैक पे हावी हो जाएगा. ओके, if we want we can put a little bit of white lines with our what you call acrylic color also, because I think so some of my white lines have disappeared, so I will definitely do that. Oh, now I'm using my reds again. Okay, giving a little different tone. See, I'm just playing with black, red, orange. Okay, अभी इधर ये थोड़ा सा white को हम लोग ऐसे कर देंगे, because ultimately it is just showing the light falling on it, nothing else. Now this part again. Now this part is again a flip part. See, it's a flip part. Since it's a flip part, we need to do it like that. We need to do it like that. So what we are supposed to do is put darker shades here. And then you have to pull it with your reds. So you can do your gullies here very nicely. You can go directly for your whites, but then I would prefer you all going for your oranges so that the shade of the rose should not change. Okay, and then you take your whites and you do your gullies. You're just smudging it. Now you keep on going and doing the same procedures for each and every petal. So I'm doing it fast now, not teaching. This is the way I make my roses, very simple. I don't make them very complicated. If I make them complicated, मैं ही मर जाएगी करती. Okay, so now I'm first making my whites. अंदर की तरफ ब्लैक किया, बाहर की तरफ वाइट किया, बीच में ऑरेंज एंड रेड किया. सिंपल. The only thing is that be sure that your rose should look like a rose. है ना? अगर रोज की तरह नहीं दिखेगा तो कैसे चलेगा? Your children, see, I had taken maroon. I'm not using maroon. First I thought I would use maroon wherever I require a little bit of black, but then I decided I will first do a little bit of blacks so that you all don't get confused of, and a little bit of whites and oranges So what am I doing is just putting a tinju, 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 tinju. Okay, now this patta needs to be brightened up here. Now I'm taking my orange and covering this part, leaving a touchky white somewhere. Okay, leaving little bit of white. See, when we do the outer, it will start looking prettier. Now I feel I should have left a little bit of white this side and a white this side, so that it looks. So what am I going to do is I'm going to use my acrylic if possible, otherwise I can just do this with my whites here. Yes, it's happening, so I need not really bother, because उसके लिए फिर मेरे को जाना पड़ेगा वापस. So one of it is done. Now we have to jump to the other part, and when we do the entire external part, this will automatically come pop करके up. अभी इसमें जैसे हम लोग ऐसे ऐसे पेटल्स के अंदर ऐसे जाएंगे बाद में, अभी चले जाते हैं ताकि तुमको पता चल जाए. अभी ये पेटल है, we'll take white and we'll jump inside little, jump inside, jump baby jump, jump baby jump, jump baby. In every petal you're supposed to jump, okay, inside, so that will give you a more prettier look for your petals. This, if it is done with acrylic in the same way how the posters, I mean to say the oil pastel is done, it looks very pretty, children. Please opt for acrylic. If you all are good enough in painting, please go in for your acrylics. Now this is the sepal part, so we are not going to touch it. I'll have to clean my white a bit. Oh, I'll have to use my own dress to clean it because I haven't got anything. See, I've cleansed it. Sorry. Now to do this, I'm starting with this. I don't know why, but I'm starting with this because this is the Mudela Patta. Okay, now instead of orange here, we will continue with the same. First I thought let me use the pinkish shade, but it's okay. Okay, so I have used orange, and now my orange is getting distorted with red, little bit of red here. And then I'll take my whites to do this. This is the Mudela Patta. You understand, the one which is coming up as a flip. Okay. Now this is the part which is the Kali part, so it needs to be darker this side. And then it goes like that. Now the flip part will be the oranges, and this will be dark, and this shall be the inner part which is dark. If we require, we'll put a little bit of black too. Now this part is going to be orange. This part is going to be orange with a flip of white. Actually, you know, when the rose is made, it looks so complicated that you see कि फिर रोज बनता नहीं है. रोज बहुत easy होता है. रोज के साथ कुछ भी कर दो वो सुंदर दिखता है. That is a fact, children. Okay, now here I am using my browns instead of blacks. My गंदे, oh, उद्घाटन हो गया. Browns, my browns. Okay, now I'll go a bit faster because you all know now what is to be done. So no more chinga pinga. Okay, इतना करती हूँ, फिर मैं वापस से जंप मारूंगी. इतना किया. इसके बाद हमको इसमें से रेड करना है, because this is more towards the sun shining. That is why instead of black I have used my gande wala brown. And whenever you are doing red, children, please do it on the brown and pull it, because it should not look like a brown shade in your flower. It is the red shade, but since we want that red shade to be a little darker, we are doing this. Okay, now we take our oranges and lemons sold for a penny. All the schoolboys are so many. The grass is green. Are you getting confused here? If you're getting confused here, you can just poke me. Just poke me. Oranges and lemons sold for a penny. All the schoolboys are so many. The grass is green and the roses are red. Oh Lord, now I'll tell you. I know you all are confused कि ये ऐसा कैसा हो रहा है. I'll show you. See, this is the inner part. I put black here. Okay, now this is the part. I've put a little bit of black here. This is the part. I put a little bit of black here. Okay, now this is the kali. So this part. Now this is the flowery part, which I put a little bit of black here, and this is coming from inside. I put a little bit of black here. Now again I'm using my ready to just smudge my blacky. You're getting confused, Raja. Please don't get confused. Please don't get confused. So now this part is the one which is stamped red. This is the leaf which is completely red. If we want, we'll put a little bit of shades here with orange. Okay, now this patta will be little orange and this inside part is going to be red. Now we're going to use our oranges for this shading here. I hope you all are not getting confused, children, because you know, to teach someone is to do it's better but than to teach. क्या मैं बोली? कुछ बोली क्या मैं? हाँ, never mind, but you all will soon understand what I really mean to say. Now this is the external patta, which will be orange. And now my blacks. Now my black is going to get over here because of the shading which we are going to do on the background. So my blacks is definitely going to get over here. Now do you want me to define each and every part to you all? So I will do that also, no props at all. Now I'm using my maroons, children, because I feel this is required here. This is the requirement here. Because the rose is looking more orange than the red part. Okay, you will soon understand how the rose is when we do the background. So this is the other part of the rose. So because it's the other part, it has to be like that. This should be more whiter and this also needs to be more whiter. Since this needs to be whiter, I'm just putting a little bit of whitening here and whitening here, and then I shall put my darkening here. और darkening उधर तो हो ही गई है. Okay, but नहीं, ये जो पत्ते का ऐसे घिर घिर दिखना चाहिए वो नहीं दिख रहा है. तो ये ऐसा हो गया, ये इसका डार्कनिंग हो गया, और ये पत्ते का घिर घिर ऐसे दिख रहा है, और इसके नीचे हमने ऐसे से डार्क कर दिया तो वो दिखने लगेगा. So we just have to smudge this part off with our hand or our earbuds. Now this part is dark. This is again the khar khar part, and then this is dark here. You have to keep on playing, children, till you understand that your rose pattas are done. Okay, now this has to be done. Now this is the khar khar part and this part will be the dull part. This will be the khar part and this part will be the tulle part. Okay, now we are putting a little bit of white here, a little bit of white here. This part is dark, this part is dark. Wherever we require we will do it, so no issues at all. This is just the darker part, because this is the ulta part of the rose, understood? This is not the seedha part of the rose, this is the ulta part of the rose. Okay, so now my roses are done. We will do it again very slowly, teaching you everything. But now first we need to do the leaves. So I'm keeping all my rose colors aside. I'm taking my sap green color, children, and my light green color and my blacks. Of course, this drawing cannot go without black. Oh my god. So this dandi will be black till here. Please don't ask me ये क्यों काला काला कर रहे हो, तुमको सब समझ में आ जाएगा बेटा. Once this is done, बोले why so much black, why so much black, you all will understand. Now I've taken my sap green color, children. I'm just pulling this black with my sap green. Here it is just pulling with my sap green. I'm going to do a little bit of light green also. And then I take my light green and I do it here, little bit here. Can you see? Little bit here, little bit here. ये थोड़ी सी रोशनी जो उसके ऊपर गिर रही है, ठीक है. अभी इधर मैंने सैप ग्रीन नहीं किया, इधर मैं डायरेक्टली लाइट ग्रीन कर रही हूँ. ओके, नाउ द अदर पत्ता. ओ माँ, नाउ द अदर पत्ता. इसको हम लोग को थोड़ा सा स्मजिंग करना है. दिस पत्ता. Now this patta first we will do full light green. Nicely we'll do light green. फिर उसके अंदर हम लोग रिवर्सिंग करेंगे, ठीक है. तो हमने ये लाइट ग्रीन कर दिया ये पत्ते को, लेकिन इतनी रोशनी पत्ते में हो नहीं सकता, तो हम लोगों ने ये कर दिया है. Now we are just making the veins. Okay. Now you see how black it becomes. I'm going to vein banai क्यों? Okay, these are the veins which we have put, and the shadow of this flower is falling on this, so this part will become darker. And then you need to take your hand and just smudge. My hands are really very dirty. Okay, I'll just do this little bit of black here because these are the shadow parts. So we are just smudging it, so the colors and the veins थोड़ा थोड़ा दिखेगा, थोड़ा थोड़ा चला जाएगा. Understood? So this is done. This leaf is completely done. Now we are jumping to this leaf. Now to jump with this leaf again, we are going to do the sap green color in between with little bit of sap green this side. Okay, little bit. Then we'll take our and the sap green over here will come this side. Okay, then we take a light green color and we start doing this smudging part of it. Okay, then we will make the veins as it is on the flowers. Now these veins will come with black. Then again there will be smudging part. Okay, this is done. Now again you will take your hand or anything and then you're going to smudge it. So only one small vein or 2, 3. Oh, I don't have a nakhun today here, so we just have to smudge it off with my blacks. This is done, but since I feel this is not looking like the rose one, I'm just giving it a shape. As it is, everything is going to get merged off. So अभी इधर हम लोग लाइट ग्रीन कर रहे हैं. तुम लोग बहुत कंफ्यूज मत होना. इट इज़ वेरी वेरी सिंपल बेटा. Don't get confused at all. We are doing sap green here. Now we are merging this part with a darker sap green. Okay, now what we are supposed to do is put the veins this way from here, and then take your hand and come in with the waves. Okay, this is also done. Now these leaves are really dark, so just giving blacks and sap greens. Okay, you all will soon understand when we do the entire background dark. It is the time that you all will realize what have I done, children. Okay, and then you smudge it off. See, my baahar ja raha, but I'm not really bothered because I know I can do it clearly. I know what am I doing. पता है ये सब वीडियोस है ना फास्ट फॉरवर्ड में होते हैं बिकॉज इट टेक्स सच अ लॉन्ग टाइम टू मेक द वीडियो and to teach each and every step, full steps. It becomes okay. No, you should have given it a. Now the finishing part and all, I'm going to do it. Now this part will be more black. Okay, and a little bit of sap green will be seen here. Okay, now we are making the borders. Now to make the borders, what you require is first take your what you call light green and you start doing this part just besides the roses. Okay, hardly any part, because we are going to smudge the entire thing with the colors. This part, and yes, little bit of this part over here will be light. See, here I am doing it lightly because I know I am going to color the entire part. Oh my god, with sap greens and greens. First I am doing it and then I'll be smudging it, so I'm just doing it anyhow. Okay, then it's my sap green which will take this much portion. Okay, this is the portion where I have to do my sap green, so I'm just doing it hallu se. Then wherever I require I will do it. So I'm just doing it hallu se. Hallu se ithe pithe kar ditta sap green. Yeah, when you come to the roses, you have to do it accurately, children. You cannot just take a chance and get inside the roses, because the roses needs to be defined well. If they are not defined well, they will not look good. Now this will be the darker part and this also will be the darker part, so I'm leaving it. Now I take my black. Where's my black? Yeah, it's here, and I start smudging the entire part black. You all will soon understand how it will happen. I'm just showing you all where the black has to be done, and then we'll be smudging it off. Now see this part. Can you see this part? Now this part has to be black and it has to be smudged well, and we have to define the leaf also. So just remember what you all are supposed to do and then keep on jumping. Okay, now I think so my fingers are too jadiya for it, but still I need to do it. I need to come inside and just do कुली. फिर जो हम लोगों की फिनिशिंग होगी हम वो करेंगे, पर पहले हमको ये करना है. जब तक हम ये नहीं करेंगे it will not be defined, children. See, I'll show you the leaf part first so that you all know कि how the leaf will start looking beautiful after this is done. Okay, see, this is my rose, this is my leaf. Just concentrate on this leaf now. Okay, here I'm just taking it here. Now see, I'm just taking few strands of black inside and my leaf shape is done. Understood? This is how we have to show. Now we have done a little bit of green here, so we're just going to scrape it here to show a little bit of brightness here. Here, baki this is dark. Oh, my red color has come. Let me remove all these colors so that I can move my book to do it. I just need my sap green, my light green and my blacks, and everything. Please go away. I don't know where did I keep my light green now. It's here. Children, I know I'm taking a good amount of time of yours, but I want you all to learn the process. See now, इधर हम लोग को ब्लैक करना है, तो इधर हमको पिच ब्लैक करना है. तो पहले हम लोग बॉर्डरिंग जो है ना रोज की, वो एकदम मस्त में क्रिस्प कर देंगे. Then you will see how the patta is shining. This is all black, 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 black. This is all black here. Okay, this is black. This part is black. When you are coming near to the roses, please slow your speed. Okay, when you are coming near to the leaves, please slow your speed, and then you need to do it properly. So this is the part which is black, 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 and then sap green, sap green, sap green, sap green, sap green. Okay, this is completely done with oil pastels, children. So, oh, okay. Now we take a hand, children. You just have to put, now this is the darker parts. Just roll your hands inside. The leaf should not look like a leaf border. It should look as if background किया तो वो उठकर आया है. Somewhere you will have to redo the colors. Somewhere you all will have to do more of black. So it all depends. Oh, you need to be careful. Don't tear your page. सिर्फ मेरे साथ ऐसे ही होता है. दैट इज़ वाई ऐसे दो कोने से पकड़ने के बाद करना. अच्छा, अभी मेरे को इधर ऐसा लग रहा है मेरे को सैप ग्रीन और दबाना चाहिए, तो मैं और दबाती हूँ. So I'm just turning my book off, and here I have not done on purpose. I haven't done सब चीज़ दबा दबा के घसीट के, बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड अ गुड मर्जर. अगर सब चीज़ दबा दबा के घसीट के करेंगे तो वो मर्जिंग पार्ट नहीं आता है. एंड वी वॉन्ट द ग्रीन टू बी सीन. ब्लैक इज सच अ डोमिनेंट कलर दैट इट विल नॉट अलाउ ग्रीन टू बी सीन. दैट इज़ वाई हम लोगों को थोड़ा ब्लैक थोड़े ग्रीन के साथ हम लोगों को इसको. एंड रिमेंबर, यूज़ ओनली सैप ग्रीन, चिल्ड्रन. डोंट यूज़ एनी अदर ग्रीन. इट विल नॉट गिव अ वेरी गुड इफेक्ट. Oh. So when we are going here again, we are just smudging it. Okay. Here black के साथ अभी मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है इधर हमको थोड़ा सा और ब्लैकनेस करनी है, तो हम थोड़ी सी ब्लैकनेस करके फिर इसको स्मच करते हुए जाते हैं. So can you see this leaf is lifted, this is lifted, this danda part is lifted. Now we'll go and show you the other parts which are to be lifted. Now you can see this leaf. I've done a little bit of light green here. Now what am I going to do is take my blacks here. This is the leaf. Okay, पर हमको लाइट ग्रीन को पूरा नहीं मिटाना है, ये याद रखना. हमको थोड़ा थोड़ा रखने का है लाइट ग्रीन इधर, बिकॉज हमको इधर थोड़ी सी रोशनी का पार्ट देने का. सो वी जस्ट हैव टू स्मज इट इन सच अ वे दैट योर लाइट ग्रीन इज ऑल्सो सीन, and your sap green is also seen, and your black is also seen. Okay, now this is the part. अभी देखो इधर हम लोगों ने लाइट ग्रीन किया है, ये सैप ग्रीन कलर का लीफ है इधर, तो वी आर जस्ट टेकिंग सैप ग्रीन इनसाइड एंड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ ब्लैक इनसाइड. ऐसे नहीं, इट्स दिस डायरेक्शन. Okay, now we just are smudging it. Now here we are taking a sap green to do the borders. See, the borders need to be crisp. गुलाब के अंदर कोई चांस नहीं लेने का है, ठीक है. गुलाब जैसे है उसको वैसे ही रहने देना है, गुलाब को नहीं छेड़ना है हमको. इधर हम लोग ने सैप ग्रीन किया है, अभी हमको इधर डार्कनेस लानी है, बिकॉज अगर डार्कनेस नहीं आएगा तो हमारा गुलाब उठ के नहीं आएगा. इधर हमने काला किया है, अगर हमको और ज़रूरत होगी तो हम और करेंगे. आई थिंक सो आई नीड टू डू अ लिटिल बिट मोर ब्लैक. दिस इज़ डबल वर्क. घसीट के दबा के करेंगे ना तो तुम लोगों का एक ही टाइम पे हो जाएगा. पर इधर हम लोग जानबूझ के दबा के घसीट के नहीं करते हुए भी हम लोगों को इसमें ब्यूटी लानी है. तो दिस इज़ व्हाट वी आर डूइंग. After this, my hand has become so garam that you can put an omelette and it will get cooked. I know this is a little difficult drawing, children, but now what is my practice of doing coloring is I will do one difficult drawing and one simple drawing, so that my chinu minus are also not very angry with me. See, here I'm using light green, children. Can you see? Now this inside part of the leaf is going to be black, absolutely black, 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 and this side is also going to be black. और मैं तुमको बताऊंगी ये लीफ कैसे थोड़ी सी दिखेगी, ये लीफ ज़्यादा नहीं दिखेगी, मतलब ये अंधेरे में छुप गई है। ऐसे वाली लीफ बनाने हमको, ये इधर। अब मैं तुम्हारा ये एक लीफ है और ये दूसरी लीफ है इधर। ओके, सो आई एम जस्ट डूइंग इट एंड आई शो यू हाउ टू हाईलाइट द लीफ। फर्स्ट यू मेक दिस ब्लैक पार्ट very darkly done. Okay, now you take your light green color and you just have to highlight the leaf a little, not much, children. हम लोग ने इधर डार्क में लाइट लीफ में डार्क से किया, इधर डार्क लीफ को हम लोग लाइट से कर रहे हैं. ओके, so very rarely, and then you will just scrape one part here, put a little bit of green showing that this is the डंडा, और ये पार्ट हमारा वापस से डार्कनेस में आ जाएगा. See my hands, oh my gosh, but be very careful, अपना हेलीकॉप्टर को छोड़ना मत, हेलीकॉप्टर के तरह ही करते रहना. हो 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 हा 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 हो हा हा हो हा 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 हो. इधर सैप ग्रीन की थोड़ी सी कमी लग रही है, इसलिए हम लोग थोड़ी थोड़ी देर में सैप ग्रीन कर देते हैं. जिन 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 हो 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 हप्पा हप्पा हो 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 हप्पा हप्पा हो. लाइट ग्रीन एकदम ब्यूटीफुली नहीं दिखना चाहिए, इसमें हम लोगों का ये सब है ना ऐसे घसर गुंडी टाइप्स दिखना चाहिए. इट शुड लुक लाइक द फ्लावर हैज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ लाइट फॉलिंग हियर, बाकी इट इज इन डार्कनेस. सो नाउ द हाईलाइटिंग पार्ट. सी नाउ ये रोज के इधर ये लाइट ग्रीन से हाईलाइटेड है, इसलिए हम लोग इसको लाइट ग्रीन से हाईलाइट करेंगे. ओके, सो दिस इज हाईलाइटेड, दिस ब्रांच ऑफ the tree. Now this, समझा, ये डंडा है, और बाकी हमको इधर सैप ग्रीन से इसको स्मच कर देना है. Now we are highlighting each and every part, children, so you all will understand. Okay, now this is one leaf जो छुपी हुई है, इधर रोशनी गिरी हुई है. अच्छा, अभी ये लीफ आर्टिफिशियल लग रहा है क्योंकि ऐसा लग रहा है ना कि इधर हम लोगों ने बॉर्डरिंग की है, तो इसको हम लोगों को ये ऐसा हा हो हा 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 हो हा हा हो. पता नहीं चलना चाहिए तुम्हारी लीफ कहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रही है, कहाँ से एंड हो रही है. ओके, आज तो रगड़ा पट्टी बन गई. किसी को रगड़ा पैटिस खानी है तो आ जाओ मेरे घर भी. ओके, नाउ दिस पार्ट कुछ बुड्ढा बुड्ढा नहीं दिखना चाहिए. सी, ओनली दिस स्मॉल लिटिल पार्ट इज हाईलाइटेड. कैन यू सी? नाउ ओनली दिस पार्ट विल बी हाईलाइटेड ओवर हियर. few parts which need to be highlighted. अभी देखो, अभी ये पत्ता फोल्ड हो रहा है, पर इसके पीछे काला कम है, तो इसके पीछे हम काला सास्त कर देंगे. ठीक है, यू हैव टू चेक योर रोज, तो वो पत्ता दिखना चाहिए. नाउ कैन यू सी द ब्यूटी. अभी भी मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है इधर मेरे को थोड़ा सा ब्लैक करके थोड़ी सी स्मजिंग करनी है, क्योंकि इधर इतने अच्छे से नहीं हुई है, तो मैं ये वापस से कर रही हूँ. नाउ सी, आई एम टेकिंग माई हैंड हियर अगेन, चिल्ड्रन. एक हा हा हो हप्पा हप्पा हो हा हा हो हप्पा हप्पा हो हप्पा हप्पा हो. आई होप चिल्ड्रन जो बड़े बच्चे होंगे वो तो डेफिनेटली ये बनाकर पोस्ट करेंगे. आई नो, because roses are the most beautiful thing. Now you have seen इधर से थोड़ी रोशनी आ रही है, इधर से आ रही है, बाकी our roses are highlighted. That's what I wanted to show. Only our roses needs to be highlighted. ओ हो, मेरा हाथ इतने गंदे हैं ना कि ये पार्ट सच में गंदा हो गया है. Never mind, अच्छा और हो गया. So you can see this petal is coming here, this is going there. You can put water droplets if you all wish. Now I cannot do water droplets, I don't think so. My white is going to work for the water part. But if you all wish, you all can put water drop. No, I'm not putting it because you need to have a white pen for it, which I don't have, or you need to have acrylic colors. Now my acrylic colors are in the other room and I'm not going to go and get it. Okay, so you've understood? I hope you have understood. I hope you all will do it. इधर मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है इस पत्ते को मेरे को 2 में डिवाइड कर देना चाहिए, तो मैं उसको 2 में डिवाइड कर देती हूँ ऐसे. You all imagine ना, ऐसा नहीं है कि जो टीचर ने किया वैसा ही बनाने का. Imagine, see now I have, this was one full big patta, I have divided it into 2, correct? So whatever you feel, okay, yes, I am supposed to do this here, please go ahead and do it. Nobody is going to stop you. Okay? सो जहाँ जहाँ तुमको ऐसा लग रहा है कमी है, प्लीज़ करके पोस्ट करना, और प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना, और प्लीज़ 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 लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब, लाइक एंड शेयर करना, सो दैट अदर्स ऑल्सो कैन लर्न. मेरे मुंह की जुबान अभी लड़खड़ा रही है क्योंकि मैं थक गई हूँ बोल बोल के 40 मिनट हो गए, मैं फटाफट बोलती जा रही हूँ. सो बाय, एंजॉय.